Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. It is a rainy morning here, and this yard turns into a massive mud pit. And this is a problem because this little shed over here is my husband's office. However, Einstein Innovations has come up with these amazing stepping stones that we now have laid a path. It was so easy to do. These are made of a poly resin, so they come all flat, so you just have to pop the little stakes out and then pop them into place. They're really easy to put together. Then you just decide where you want them in your yard, push them into place. I did have to step on them a little bit to get them all the way in, but once they are in very securely. I'm really impressed with how nice these look. For being a poly resin or like a plastic-like material, they look so nice. They have a really nice texture to them, so they look real. This is the slate gray, which is my favorite. They come in 3 color choices, but this is my favorite of the 3. I really like how they go down to the level of the dirt, so the grass kind of goes around them and they look very natural. So here you can go along the little pathway with me to my husband's office. It is so nice to have a walkway and not be walking through mud anymore. If you're in need of a really easy, nice looking path for your yard, Einstein Innovations stepping stones are awesome. They have worked so well. It is so nice to have a walkway now, and that's our point of view.